tea. Must then call the LBT.
If you no buy tea from blood clot, Dovey will big and wagga so on a foo.
Can't tea now work for
if it now work for you, it work for you.
Yeah, people, Era and Dovey Magnum going at it. You see what I say? So welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel, or welcome if it's your first time. So yesterday, I started to see some posts that go up. Somebody sent me a post that say, yo, Era over Dovey page. You see me? I say. So one time I go check it out. I see Dovey post one video. If you don't know one video with Era where I chat long time, as a matter of fact, I remember play the audio for them, I couldn't hear the video.
Money on over here, fuck with. Cause me no fuck body. Me no suck pussy. Me no fuck man again.
Tell him say you're a batty man right there, say you bow up, brother, you're skin. Yeah man, you're not good again, brother. Real batty man fit to you. But cool blood clot you too. You know easy.
So when I circle Era page down, I see Era post one thing. When I post one picture with Dovey, I'm going to show you that. And he might do the Who's Next challenge. So I really wonder people what could have caused all of this, because as far as me know, Era and Dovey was friends. You see me, I say for the longest time, then they on the net, they always go for one another live and them something there. So it kind of surprising to me if you see say them a beef, you see me. But anyway, people, Era went on lava, chat and laugh. You see me, I say last night, I'm going with a bag of things. You see me, I say Era chat everything and talk a bag of things. So me have some of the clips from where Era talk about and him explain how it start and thing. You see what I say? So me go play some of that for you know, as well as some other part what I have. Even one time Era go for the Bible, you see me? So we are go watch a part there where Era go for the Bible before we actually hear him explain what caused the rift between both of them. So let us take a look at this.
Cheap public brand. Put me a wallet.
Holy Bible.
Me a wallet. Father God no see
Me no so lying on my life. Holy Bible.
Talk quick before he kill me.
Holy Bible.
Talk quick. Yeah. Right there, sir.
If I lie, me I tell God, strike me a son.
Right.
My friend named 40 fuck Dovey for $100.
One bills. As a God.
Whoa.
If I'm lying, I'm dying.
My friend named 40.
Right now.
He have money, but $100 she just said if she didn't want.
Because you're an innocent bitch.
And she said she didn't want to do her nails.
I show a chaser.
Yes. But then I wear out when I call the general and they show your pussy for your feature. And the general show your phone and say a young girl in her 22 and
easy for fuck.
He want your old look like cockroach. And I mean a 7 other nigga did it and look funny. National was one. What them? Me, Shaba, and Grim Rim.
So what are they?
Yes, people, you see where Era going with. So Era try to prove a point. Era make sure he go for the Bible. You see me, I say the man just go for one Bible, the man go for 2 Bible. You see me? So Era always is a man who just dep on the internet. The man people kick off all the time and just Dovey. You see what I say? If he's a man who just, if he just feel like for this him, I got this you and deal with the consequences later. You see what I say? Even though he must say one time then thump him down a Fort Lauderdale deal. That was 5 years ago. He say still. You see me? But man, I say a different thing, you know. So hear what Era say.
Yeah, enough for your war what they no call, enough for your tell, enough for say. Man dump me down up a Fort Lauderdale.
When?
That was 5 years ago. Me I tell them that was 5 years ago. But anyone who try now, me I pay my money on the dead. And if me can't pay money, me I kill you now and go back and me
a long time since that, my G, man.
Yeah, what go on? Up a poolside, yeah, but a long time since
Yeah, people. This may I tell you, I just some of what go on. You see me, I say a long time in the panel live, like one good probably 45 minutes or more. You know what I mean? 8,000 people I watched last night. But no Dovey must see this herself. You see me? Everybody did it. All the artists them you could have think of. You see me? I see Stylo G, I see Kemar Icon, we see everybody, we see Nicky Chromas them. You see me, I say Renee them. Everybody did it. You see my people. But yeah, people, I know I keep on the long waiting for hear what actually Era say. You see what I say? What started? So without any further ado, I go play that part the phone now, and I gonna get a better understanding. However, you know what I mean, I respect Hero for like seriously explain that part. Yeah. The part I like the bag of joke, like how him a go on and I go on with the antics of the Bible and everything. Them actually for the first time say, you know, a serious thing and this happen. So here Hero side of the story, people. Here we go.
Right. Kalava out or full thing start. Right. The full thing start from his show with Ishawna. Right. She called me and say, may I be real with her? No joke, no love. She called me and say, yo, she done the girl, she run out on the girl and me and say, yes. Run out. Judge your pussy and Ray. You see me and say,
yeah.
The boom on the live and me and say, me this Ishawna in our way. Wicked. The people them can dance and then tell you. And me and say, Juju we say straight same way. Juju cocky me about that. Me and tell the girl them. You see me and say,
right.
Anyway. I like me not do what she said for do. Cause me can't do this Ishawna I way out. Oh me for this Ishawna. Me not pick no side. A woman thing that. You see me lava.
Yeah. So she tell you for this
Ice. Squash and alcohol in a war when me set a boom. Me turn up in a squash corner and know say right. A blood clot. General six, war. Me say. Yeah, six. You understand? Me not to follow up certain things. You see me?
Right.
She unfollow me. Right.
Right.
You see? Me said her a bumbo clot. Vice no. Me say yo Dovey a treat man like some bumbo clot, broke pocket, dirty blood clot boy in the street. Loud. And she said, no, you know say. You know me never meant to do it and Ray. You understand? Boom now. She said, oh, she go follow me back now and she do it. Dirty girl. Anyway, like Tina side the argument now and hear what me I say. And Tina said, babes, you know she unfollow me too. And I have to DM her say what I do. You understand? So like she follow me and Tina, you see me? Unfollow me and Tina, you see me? So boom, she follow me back and feeling. She begged me post the blood clot song. She do a this song for Ishawna. I never want to post it and she begged me post the song. Because she called me, you know, me tell her she called me and friend me up lava.
Yeah.
Me I come at your party and one thing me not post it because you have certain people on the flyer. So me I say, oh, me take them off. Me I say, oh, come on now, oh. Oh, you post, you put Shani on the flyers and oh, Ray. Me say a simple thing that she said, she said, okay, lava.
Yeah, me there.
Dead mother life and my son life. She said, me a come in the morning, get a hotel room for me. That's exactly what Dovey said to me. You understand?
Yeah.
Shella there, so Shella have the fucking credit card. You understand?
Yeah.
So Shella there go book the room because Shella book kid room. Right. Shella book when you came our icon room. So she said, book the room because me a forward in the morning.
Right.
Anyway, me I say me not to pre that and you know, Ray. Yeah. Boom, she stopped like up my things them and Ray. So me be the bigger person because my sister she not meds me. In her
right.
What she do right now, she thinks she could have burned me. When me tell her, I say, go over the pretty dan, let me tell her this. Dovey go suck your man. Right. You can't style me. Let me tell her this. Go suck your man. I feel like you don't see me dress up every day. I feel like you can't style me. Let me tell her what she do. She go up on her live and think she can burn me. She play 2 on the song. Under make gay girl number. She post 2 on the song, you know, and then she get up in the morning and post 2 on the song, but under get fat pum pum Dovey number and tag 2 on it. Me I say, what is this stupid rotten teeth, bitch? Bitch, that is not your teeth in your head, bitch. Bro, that is not. Yeah. Bitch, go suck yourself with those teeth in your mouth. Why if your name all your swallow, suck yourself a cheap tooth. All white. You understand me? Because you have care. Yeah. You can't talk to me, have care. Right. Hear me, I say.
Now, people, if you don't want to watch a full thing, I'm going to leave a link in the comment section saying, and you can watch a full live on my IGTV. You see me? Other than that, people, I mean, me don't know where this is going to go. Me don't know if Dovey Magnum are going to follow this up. You see what I say? Because he really going away. But it look like he kind of hurt personally, you know, you see? Because he must say like, you know, Dovey the want him for this Ishawna and he must say a woman thing that him can't really get involved. You see me? So he must just deal with it Ray and she kind of vexed from this so because him not deal with it like oh she want, right? But you know them thing I go people just go keep on falling out with each other every now and then. You see me? Hopefully this not get too serious where, you know what I mean, other than just read that you or whatever go on. I mean I don't know if Dovey are gonna follow it. I don't really know if Dovey are gonna follow it up like that. You see what I say? Era comedian, Dovey are artist. So I never know this happened at the first place, but it happened and Era explained for him side. I don't know if Dovey care for explain for her side. You see me? But anyway, people, you see me? I say thanks for watching. And if it's your first time on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for daily updates. And if you've been here and you've been subscribed and I rock with me, thank you also. You see me? So other than that, thank you for watching and have a good day.